Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I am back with another video in my Harry Potter series. So this is just a little series where I am using the train die from Scrappy Tales. And this is just a fun die. So I'm using this die, and I am using the, let's see, the tunnel is made using the Scrappy Tales trifold. They have this die right in here. So I use this. It's basically an arch die. And then I used a, let's see, what would you call this? I used a die, like a brick die, but I dry embossed it. So that's what I did. And then I also used the Popsicle Sticks flying car. And I have a little die that goes with that. And then the 3D embossing folder Cloud9 from Tailored Expressions. So this is a really simple card. I did not do a sentiment yet, so I figured I would do that just maybe on camera. Maybe I'll use this one. So we're going to go ahead and just get started with this. So I've gone ahead and I went ahead and I embossed it. And so now I'm just going to use this tumbled glass. And actually I'm grabbing a brush. I keep my Distress Oxide brushes. I use them only for Distress Oxide because they're a completely different formula. So all I'm going to do is just kind of do some light inking. I mean, nothing crazy. And just to put, you know, a little bit of color down. And that's it. So this is such a great embossing folder. Okay, so now this is just going to go right here. And it's going to be like the tunnel that the train is coming out of. And I've had so much fun finding all these different ways to use this die with Harry Potter. So I've got one more train left. And I don't know how I'm going to use it. Have not decided how I'm going to use it yet. So that remains a mystery because I have one more left, and then I'm going to do a little video that, you know, just shows you all the different ways that I use that die. And then I will move on to something new because I have lots of new things that I can't wait to use, and a lot of old things I can't wait to use. So in my last video I mentioned that I discovered that Avery L is slowly shut their doors. Quietly, I should say, not you know, slowly, but quietly. And their website is no more, and can't find their products. So it's kind of sad. Here we go, and we have this one right here. So before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and work on my sentiment. There's Have a Magical Day, which might be good. Or this one, it's important to remember that we all have magic inside of us. So that one might work really well. So let me go ahead, and I've got this right here. And I'm going to use my VersaFine and really ink it up well. And let's see if I've got a one right here. Okay, so there's that, but I feel like it's a little bit on there, a little crooked, so maybe I'll ink it again and see if I like which one I like better. I do that sometimes where I just ink them twice and figure out like which one. Okay, so maybe that one's a little straighter. And so this is the Sassy Club stamps. I actually have, I think I have something else coming from them. Okay. So I'm going to cut that. I'm actually going to just use my paper trimmer, and you know, I use this big old thing as my favorite paper trimmer after all this time. It's just what I like, which you're not even going to be able to see me cut it because I'm cutting it here at the bottom, but it's a Fiskars trimmer, and it is my favorite. I like how it has, you know, it's just easier to cut straight with it. So there's that. And I could ink up the edges. I don't know. Do I want to do that? Could put it on something. What do I want to do? I think maybe I'll just ink up a little bit of the residual ink from the Distress Oxide, just so that's not so stark white. Okay, so there's that. And I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of foam. And the reason why I'm kind of doing this first is I just want to make sure that it's kind of balanced. Okay, there's that. And now I'm going to do my little card. This was a pretty easy card. And there's that. Now I've got 3 little hearts. So I am going to put these little hearts down. And that comes from that same little flying car die. And it's Popsicle Sticks, and she's on Etsy. I have all of her Harry Potter stamps. They're so, so cute. Okay, so now I've got it on a slimline card base that I made, and I'm just going to, I thought about propping it all up, but too late now. I'm going to just glue it down. And really, really easy card. And I really enjoy the fact that I got to use some products that I have already. And there we go. And so again, this train die is from Scrappy Tales. And you can look at my channel and see the other 3 cards that I made using this train. And I have one more train card coming up. And, well, coming up, I haven't even made it yet. But when I make it, it will be posted to my channel. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. This is Cindy, Creating with the Heart.